Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And when y'all see a Temu package, y'all already know it's about to go down. It's Temu time. I got some bundles from Temu. We are going to make some clip-ins in this video. I got some accessories and nails that I want to show y'all, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's jump right into these bundles first because I already know y'all want to know what's up with the Temu bundles. Now, this hair is one of those things that you think is just too good to be true because for the price, it's like, no way. A 18-inch, 16-inch, and a 14-inch all together, not separately, all together is $35 and some change. I was like, nah. But girl, it's true. And the hair is so soft. The bundles are pretty full. And this is not synthetic hair. This is Brazilian, okay? Kinky curly. And we're going to put it to the test with some clip-ins. So I'm going to make my own clip-ins out of these bundles. So I also got a 30-pack of these clips. So stay with me in this video so you can see the whole process of how I wash the hair, condition the hair, and create my own clip-ins. They're super easy to make, and I can't wait for y'all to see that portion of this video. But back to the haul. So y'all know your girl love her some duck nails. It's a lot of y'all that are against the duckies, but I'm sorry. I couldn't pass these by because they are just too cute. Okay, let's get into them. So immediately, the first thing that came to my mind when I saw these was Lisa Frank. If you are a 90s baby or grew up in the 90s, I'm born in the 80s, late 80s, but I grew up in the 90s, and Lisa Frank had us in a chokehold, honey, from the pens to the notepads to all the stationery items for school, markers, crayons, everything, and they all had that pretty animal print with the bright colors, and that's what these nails reminded me of, and they are so bomb. I love the charms on them as well. They come with 24 nails of different sizes, and for $2.47 you honestly cannot beat that price for these bomb nails. Up next, I got 2 packs of gold bangles. You can never have too many gold bracelets. I mean, I wear gold more than I wear silver, so I got 2 packs. This is the first pack. This is the second pack. They are adjustable, so you can adjust them to fit your wrist. If you have a small wrist, if you have a thicker wrist, you can make them a little wider, and they're super cute. Now let's get into another set of nails. When I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, it's a lot going on these nails, but I love them. Y'all know I love me a extra out nail set. Now I was like, I hope these nails give exactly what they gave on that app. And honey, they did not disappoint because look at these nails, okay? Get into them. So we got a brown, like, is that tiger print? Okay, yeah, a brown tiger print on one. We got some black and white cheetah print on another one with the dollar sign on it, because if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. I'm just playing, y'all, but no, I'm serious. And then some of the other ones have like a gold glittery French tip on them, and then we got that bomb one that's blinged out with the gold rhinestones. Like, it's a lot going on in this set, but I love it. Okay, it's very extra. Like, even the one with the blinged out heart and the gun on it. Okay, like, I ain't finna shoot nobody, but it's just extra and I love it. So if you are new to Temu and have not downloaded the Temu app yet, make sure you Check out the description of this video. All the items are in the description, along with a link to download the Temu app, and also use my referral code to get a $100 coupon bundle and save on your order. It is FAVE23582. So you can type in my referral code in the search bar on the Temu app, and you will get your $100 coupon bundle and save you some coins on your order. Also, if you are a fellow content creator and you are interested in becoming a Temu affiliate or influencer and you want to join the Temu affiliate program, I also have a link in the description box for you to click to fill out the application to join the Temu affiliate program so you can start earning with Temu as well. So check that out. Now let's get into this clip-ins tutorial. So I got this shampoo, conditioner, and mousse from Dollar Tree. I'm not going to be using anything all expensive and spectacular on the hair. I also got this curling cream, which is like a dupe of the Cantu coconut curling cream. And the shampoo, conditioner, and mousse are dupes of Shea Moisture. So we are going to be using that on this hair. But check out the length and the growth of my natural hair though, okay? I've been really trying to take care of my natural hair. So I'm also going to show you guys the process of how I'm doing my natural hair. So I already parted out my leave out. I'm going to be doing a bust down middle part. So yes ma'am. Now you could braid your hair down, but me, I chose to just brush my hair down and put it in a bun. So this is what we're working with. We got 3 bundles. Oh, I just know it's gonna be cute already. I can tell. It does have a slight smell to it. I'm not gonna lie. There is like a slight hair smell to it, but it's not strong. I am so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even know. This hair texture is so soft and it's gonna blend in so good with my natural hair. It's gonna look like it's coming out of my head. So yes, if you got the same hair type as me, you might want to keep watching this video so you can see how I make these clip-ins and blend them seamlessly. This shampoo lathers up so good, and it had the hair nice and lathered up and soapy. Like, get into it, y'all. And let me just say that as I'm using my fingers to pull the shampoo through the hair and I'm scrunching the hair up and pulling on it, no shedding was happening at all. So that is a very good sign that this hair does not shed. And as you can see right here, I also washed the wefts of the hair, which is the track, basically like the base of the hair. I washed that portion of the hair as well. I didn't take the bundles of loose to wash it because I feel like I have more control over the bundles as I'm washing them, and it's just easier that way. So after I got done washing the hair, now we are going to go in with the Curl and Shine conditioner. And this bottle was a little bit tricky. Like, I was trying to pump it and nothing was coming out. So I'm like, what is going on? Come out. Come on, Dollar Tree. Okay, there we go. So I guess I just needed to like pump some up since it was brand new. But I got it to come out, and I didn't put a whole bunch on the hair because I'm going to rinse it out. So I just put some all over the bundles. And then, by the way, I did wash the hair with like warm water, and I'm also rinsing out the conditioner with warm water as well. And this is what the hair looks like after I washed and conditioned it. As you can see, no shedding happened, and the hair looks so pretty and curly, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I made these clip-ins. So I ended up just taking my hair out of the bun and pinning it up in the back. I had already made one, so I'm just showing you guys how to put the clip-ins onto your natural hair. So I literally just measured the track around the circumference of the back of my big old head, and then I cut the tracks, doubled them up, made the clip in, and I just attach the clips to my natural hair. And yes, my baby is sleeping in the background in this video, so just pay her no mind, let her get her sleep. But yes, I was feeling it already. This is about to be so cute, y'all. Just wait, just wait. Now let's get into the clip ends tutorial. So I am doubling up the tracks. I am not applying a clip in to just one single track. I basically just folded the whole bundle over, and then I'm measuring the circumference of my head, and then I'm cutting where I need it to stop at, and I am putting the clips on each end of my section of hair. You want to make sure your clip is facing the right way with the combs towards your head, and then you are going to thread a hair needle and tie the end of it in a few knots until you have a nice thick knot on the end. I think I tied it about 4 or 5 times until I created a knot that looks like this. And now what you're going to do is use the tip of the needle, and you're going to go towards the very end where there's an opening on the clip, and you're going to stick the needle through that opening through both tracks as well, right up under the track and out, and then you're going to pull that thread all the way through, and then you will see your knot. That's what's going to stop the thread from just going through. That is the purpose of the knot. Now after you pull that thread through, you want to make sure the knot is sitting at the top of the clip. Don't let the knot slide, or your clip is going to be loose and it's not going to stay in its place. And you want to make sure you are pulling that thread tight. So after you get that side secured, you're going to bring that same needle over to the other side and do the same exact thing. I want to say pull your needle through about 4 to 5 times, or until you feel that clip is nice and secure. So I did not cut the thread or anything after I finished the first side. I just simply went over to the other end of the clip and started pulling the thread through the other end. So don't cut yet. You want to keep bringing that thread through until it's nice and tight. Grab you some scissors and cut, but don't cut too far down, because now you need to tie a knot to secure the other end of your clip. And I want to say I tied about 4 or 5 knots, because I'll be wanting to make sure my clips are very secure. So tie as many times as you feel like you need, but about 4 or 5 knots should secure it. And then you're going to cut that excess thread off, not all the way down to the knot. Leave just a little bit of thread showing. And that's pretty much it. For wider sections, like for the back of my head, I did put a clip in the middle and 2 clips on each end. But that's only for the wider sections or longer sections. And as you can see, this one is not too long, so I didn't put one in the center of that piece. But I'm going to show you how to clip them in. So you want to open your clips before you get ready to put it on your head, and then you want to put it where you want the clips, and you simply stick the combs in your natural hair and press down, and the clips are going to close on your head. And that is how you make clip-ins. Very simple, very easy, not too much. I am kind of a lazy hair girl when it comes to doing my own hair, so I did not braid my natural hair. I just simply pulled it back and clipped my hair up. As you can see, the hair is giving, okay? The hair is giving already. It's looking like my natural hair, okay? It's giving natural, like I grew this hair out of my scalp. And it literally only takes minutes to make these clip-ins. It was like midnight when I was doing this, so I decided to call it quits for that night. And then this was the next day, and I have finished pretty much my whole head. I just have like 2 more pieces that I need to put in close to my leave out. As you can see, I did twist my natural hair up into some 2-strand twist. I just put some of that coconut curling cream from Dollar Tree on my natural hair, wet it a little bit, and put it in 2-strand twists. And then I am going to place my last track very close to my leave out, so that when I untwist my natural hair, it just blends right in with the clip in. So I'm just placing it right next to my leave out, and this is what's gonna make it look very natural, because we're trying to give natural, honey. And if you've made it through this whole video, make sure you drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned for the next video, because you guys are going to get ready with me for my 20-year high school reunion.